Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. In this sub-series, we will learn table view control, and when we are learning the table view control, we will learn how to design the UI using JavaFx as well as the scene builder. So in the previous two videos, we already learned about JavaFx XML as well as scene builder. So we integrated scene builder with NetBeans as well as Eclipse. But going forward, we will use NetBeans IDE because that's the IDE we used in our previous video also. So we will continue using NetBeans IDE, and the IDE now have the capability of invoking the scene builder tool. So this is the example we will create here in this video. Now we will proceed. So first we will learn what's a table view control. The JavaFx table view control is a collection of table columns. So there's a control called table view, and the table view is a collection of table columns. That means table view is the parent, and the parent contains one or more child of type table columns. Each column represents a logical data. For example, student name, mark, percentage can be represented by two table columns. So column 1 can represent a student name, and column 2 can represent percentage mark obtained. So these two columns belongs to a table view control. At runtime, when we fill the table columns, we will end up into a single row. So for example, if a student name is X, Y, Z, and mark percentage is 75, then here we have a row of data. So row of data means a row of logically related data. So XYZ person scored 75%. That's what the single row represents here. When there are more number of rows, so that means when you start adding the rows or when you are collecting the rows, you will be seeing a table populated. So that means it's a collection of row and you will be seeing a table. That means here we can state that we have a class with a number of students. That means here you will be seeing a class with a number of student 1, student 2, student 3. So student 1 represents a person name and a percentage mark. Likewise, you can collect the data. We can create a separate class to represent the data and set data model for the table view via setItems function call. So setItems is the method. Using this method, you can specify the data model. When we implement table view, we will define person contact class. Why? Because in this example, we want to collect three properties. Say, for example, person name, age, and contact number or phone number. So all these three can represent a data row. So to represent that, we will create a class called person contact with these three fields. So once the person contact class is there, we can associate that to the table view using the setItems. So person contact will act as a data model for the table view. In this sub-series, we will learn table view control, table columns, and along the way, you will get a good hands-on on JavaFx UI design using Scene Builder. We will also learn what is or how fxml is populated, how fxml is referring the controller, how you will add code in the controller. So all those stuff we will learn in this sub-series. That's all here in this video. There is no demo in here. Thank you for watching. Bye.